and use it. Mwana na malizao sije namtembelea ujavinachitika. You empower the devil to fulfill what you are wishing on someone. Also, when you speak good words, angels, they get that word and go to fulfill it. You pray for the sick, angels get that word and go make it possible there. Those are answered the prayer. Amen. So when something has happened, like what used to happen in the Old Testament, when they speak a word, Satan used to get that word and fulfill it. It was not God, it was the devil. Read, sir.
Amen. 2 Kings chapter 1 verse 10.
Yes, sir.
Elijah answered the captain, If I am a man of God, may fire come down from heaven and consume you and your 50 men. And fire came down from heaven and consumed the captain and his 50 men.
Okay, just there. So, in the time of Elijah, there's a king. So waking natuma servants kamba tukamuzeni Elijah nimufuna muona. When the men went to kutana wa Elijah for mountain, Elijah prophet please waking kama tufuna kwa nani? Elijah na baba ndani ndiye mwana wa Mulungu. Siani muliro osoke kumwamba kushoke nimwe. Muliro osoka kumwamba kubashoka bonsi. Sana lakwe wanatumwa bekuli ya king kama tukamutana ni Elijah nimufuna. Fire! Thunder! Muliro wapa wapya bonse. Pena mfuti wa bwera. Tapapata wakili wakabati bwerani wakuta nani? Fire! Pa! Number 3. Fire! Mulongabati iwe enda. Ukambele panakuita nila king. Go and listen to what the king is saying. Amen. Amen. So now, in the Old Testament, we see people dying of fire. That Elijah was calling from heaven. Now, see what happened when Jesus Christ came. Luke chapter 9, sir. Luke chapter 9, verse 51. Luke chapter 9, verse 51.
Luke 9, verse
51 to 56.
Luke 9, verse 51
to 56.
As the day of his ascension approached, Jesus set out for Jerusalem. He sent messengers on ahead, who went into a village of the Samaritan to make arrangement for him. But the people there refused to welcome him because he was heading for Jerusalem. 54. When the disciples James and John saw this, they asked, Lord, do you want us to call down fire from heaven to consume them? 55. But Jesus turned and rebuked them. 56. And he and his disciple went on to another village.
The disciples, Jesus Christ was going up somewhere. In that village, they stopped him. Said, we don't want you to pass here. The disciples of Jesus said, Muleza Yesu kupita humu. He was stopping Jesus. Yes. Kushekitana muliro wanada Elijah wa shoki wonsa wa olobwani. The Bible says that Jesus rebuked them. Amen. Jesus rebuked them, saying, you don't know what manner of spirit you are of. For the Son of Man didn't come to destroy men's life, but he came that people may have life. But in the time of Elijah, fire, pa, fire, pa. But in the time of Jesus, Jesus saying, no, me, I don't destroy people. Me, I give people life. This shows you to say, the one who killed the people then, it wasn't God. Amen. Because God does not change. He is the same. Today, tomorrow, and forever. So what he did then is what he does now. Amen. I told you already to say, what the devil does, I'm using is ignorance. Amen. Amen. What the devil does, he uses people's ignorance and kills people. And people come and tell you, so Jesus came and gave us a clear distinction. Say the devil comes to